Look at those colors in that sweetbread. This is going to be the best sweetbread ever. Let's make some sweetbread. So right now I am cracking my coconut shell. I'm just trying to get the coconut out of the shell. I'm wearing this handy dandy gloves because I just want to protect my hands when I'm digging the coconut out of the shell. Once it's out of the shell, I'm going to cut these up really small and blend it up in the blender until it gets really smooth. So now I'm blending it up. I put a little tip of water to make it smooth. So we're going to blend that up till it gets nice and smooth, and then we're going to work on the sweetbread. So right now I'm sifting my flour and the baking powder. Sifting the flour isn't really, it's optional. I just like sifting flour, so I sift all my flour. So after doing that, I am trying to prepare the liquid part of the sweetbread here. So I have some evaporated milk, I put some vanilla essence, and I have some mixed essence that I put in here. I'm gonna mix all of that up, and then I'm going to add in my nutmeg. I'm going to grate this nutmeg into the flour, and I also have some ground cinnamon that I'm going to put in there. I'm also going to put in my granulated sugar. Once all that's in, I'm going to add in the coconut, the star of the show, and I'm going to mix all of this up and then add my fruity fruits, my golden fruits. I have raisins and I have mixed fruits, so it's just nice and colorful. So I'm going to just mix all of that in, and then I'm going to add the liquids to the dry ingredients. Now the coconut already has some water, so the liquid that I have here should bring this together. So I'm going to divide my dough into 3 pans. So right now I'm putting in some melted butter. I almost forgot the butter. I'm going to put in this melted butter. I'm going to cut that in, mix it in really well. Once that is all mixed in, I'm going to add the liquid to this flour mixture and mix it until it gets to this consistency that I have. You want it to be this consistency. Once you don't want this to be too hard, you don't want it to be too soft, just medium, just in the middle. So once this is all mixed in, you're not seeing any more dry flour. We're going to divide this into 3 pans. I took the fruits and I just sprinkled some of it on the top just to make it pretty, and then I bake this at 320 for about 30 to 40 minutes. It depends on your oven, so just stick a toothpick in the middle, and once it come out clean, you know that your sweetbread is done. So once your sweetbread is done, while it's hot, I mix some brown sugar in some water and I just brushed it at the top and sprinkle it with some granulated sugar. So this is the finished sweetbread. Hope you try this recipe. Bye.